ordinary things. Spark extraordinary ideas and breakthroughs. A dedicated team stands beside you, empowering those who design, test, assemble, and repair electronics. We're TestEquity. Our journey began with refurbished and used test equipment, but has evolved into something much greater. And since then, we've been growing. Together, we can help you engineer the world. From custom tape converting, to adhesives, to test chambers, to vendor-managed inventory, to rental and certified pre-owned test equipment. Our products and services cover the entire electronics lifecycle. From research and design, to manufacturing and assembly, to maintenance and repair. The heartbeat of progress echoes through each interaction, each connection, each project. We stand by your side with tailored solutions to propel your progress forward. We're here to empower the industries shaping tomorrow. Together, let's engineer a world that doesn't just embrace change, it sparks it. With more brands, more solutions, and an unwavering commitment to doing what's right for you. We're here to unite, connecting the community that will shape a future. TestEquity, empowering the entire electronics lifecycle.